Using LinkedIn features to locate qualified targets. One of the things that defines the success of any advertising campaign on any platform is the audience, as no matter how broadly or narrowly you target it, it is what will help you to achieve a good return on investment, as long as it is properly targeted. Luckily, LinkedIn is built in a way that will make it easier for you to locate highly qualified leads even before you set up your campaigns. Using the advanced search features. LinkedIn's advanced search functionalities can help you to easily identify the exact type of people that represent the perfect match for your business. To use the advanced search features offered by the LinkedIn platform, you will simply have to click on the search bar located on the top bar menu. Once you click on it, you will have to click on the People option from the Search For display menu. You will be taken to the People Search page, where you will be able to locate qualified targets by using advanced search options and filters. First, you will be able to locate qualified targets by looking at the Contact Recommendations on the right-hand column. Then you will be able to filter people by degrees, keywords, connections, locations, current companies, past companies, industries, profile languages, nonprofit interests, and schools. You will also be able to use other target search criteria available on this page, including content, companies, and groups. Let's show you how you can leverage the information that you will find on these pages to locate qualified targets. On the content section, you will be able to locate qualified leads by taking a look at the content they are publishing and checking if it is relevant or cater to an audience that is relevant to your business. Then what you have to do is to visit these influential professionals' profiles and scroll down to their interests section. Then you will simply have to click on See More and explore what pages they are following and what groups they have joined. This will allow you to use those placements as targets when you create your advertising campaigns on LinkedIn. Additionally, you can locate other potential targets by going to the search bar and entering keywords that are relevant to your business and offers. Then scroll down past the results and click on Search All Results. Once on the results page, you can click on the Companies tab to see which companies operating within your business you can target with your advertising campaigns. And to check the Groups tab to see which industry-relevant groups you can join and be active on in order to create connections that you can later serve to with your advertising. Use these LinkedIn features to refine your targeting criteria as well as to find specific, better qualified targets to reach with your sponsored in-mail messages, and you will get results that you would not get without these strategies.